So with problem solving, you pretty much always need to get a diagram and then from that diagram come up with an equation, okay? And that's usually the difficult part, coming up with the correct equation. Okay, so a rectangle has length 3 centimeters longer than its width. Its area is 42 centimeters squared. Find its width. So if its length is 3 centimeters longer than its width, then it's a rectangle. I can just come up with this diagram, kind of go, okay, so let's say this is my rectangle. Okay, if its width is x, that's what I'm looking for. It's the unknown. I don't know its width, but I know its length is 3 centimeters longer than its width. Okay? Alright, the other bit of information I was given was that its area is 42 centimeters squared. Okay, so area of a rectangle is length by width, isn't it? So, I can get the length and the width and multiply them together, and that would give me the area, and I know the area is 42. So there is my equation. Okay? I then just expand these brackets. X squared plus 3x is equal to 42. Now in order to solve this quadratic, I'm going to need to make it equal to 0. So x squared plus 3x minus 42 is equal to 0. Okay? Now I need to factorize this quadratic, and you can see no factors of negative 42 are going to equal 3, so I'm going to need to use the quadratic formula. I'm not going to bother doing that because you guys know how to plug into the quadratic formula, okay? Anyway, so I'll plug in, and what I get is that x is either negative 8.15 or x is 5.15. Now, I can disregard one of these, can't I? If you get a negative answer and you're dealing with lengths, you can disregard it because I can't have my width as negative 8.15 centimeters. Okay, so therefore my answer is the width is equal to 5.15 centimeters, okay, which means the length would be 8.15 centimeters because 3 centimeters more.